Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering down and removing the joystick from its housing. You need to be safe and steady. Once the shell is open, inspect the shaft, gate, microswitches, and PCB for wear, debris, or corrosion so you know which part failed. Make sure to photograph each step and label screws. This prevents confusion later. You'll also test the connector pins with a quick visual continuity check to decide whether parts need replacement or just cleaning. Next, clean and replace. You'll remove grime from contacts and the pot or hall sensor using high-proof isopropyl and compressed air because contaminants cause drift and dead zones. Once clean, replace any worn microswitches, bushings, or the potentiometer with exact replacements. This restores mechanical precision and electrical reliability. When soldering, work methodically. Apply flux, use the right iron temperature, and observe ESD precautions. After each replacement, reattach and test movement to confirm smooth, full-range response. Finally, reassemble the joystick, tightening screws evenly but not too tight to prevent frame distortion. Once closed, connect and run calibration in the device software or operating system gamepad tool. You want centered neutral and accurate endpoints, so adjust dead zone and sensitivity as needed. If you still see drift or dead zones, check wiring continuity and the sensor module. Bad traces or intermittent connectors are common culprits. Then replace that module and recalibrate. If problems persist, swap parts one at a time and retest.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.